Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a neat trick to add randomness to your scenes using proportional editing, making your renderings look more natural and realistic. Let's say we have a shelf full of books, but they all look a bit regular, with the front of every spine perfectly aligned. In reality, they would be a bit messier. So let's replicate this with proportional editing. First, select one of your books, then turn on proportional editing by clicking the target icon or pressing O. Then set the fall off to random. Press G then X to move your book along the X-axis, and use the scroll wheel to control the radius within which proportional editing applies. We will see that each book has now been moved a random amount, and the books look a lot more natural. Similarly, we could use proportional editing and rotation to add randomness to a pile of bowls, or a combination of scaling and rotating to add variation to a field of flowers. Thanks for watching and happy rendering.